are going to love the 2020 Ford Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, remote engine start, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, security system, heated steering wheel, compass, remote keyless entry, overhead console. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.